We all know that दोस्ताना 2 में कार्तिक, जानवी एंड लक्ष्य को कास्ट किया जा रहा था, but then suddenly news आई that Karan Johar has kicked out कार्तिक आर्यन from the movie. कार्तिक आर्यन जो कि इस जनरेशन का वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल और बड़ा एक्टर है, उसे करण जौहर ने मूवी से आधा शूट करने के बाद निकाल दिया. Rumors were that Kartik Aryan was dating Janvi Kapoor at that time, where one day during an argument he slapped Janvi. दूसरी rumors ये भी थी that Kartik Aryan was demanding high pay in the middle of the shoot of the film, higher than what was promised. That's why Karan had to take him out of the movie. दोनों ही rumors में कार्तिक आर्यन की इमेज काफी डिग्रेड करी गई, बट क्या है एक्चुअल रीजन? लेट्स फाइंड आउट.
Welcome to Blabbermouth. Subscribe to our channel to never miss out on any latest gossip in the town. So let the cat out of the bag.
आप ये बताइए, करण जौहर ने क्यों निकाल दिया आपको अपनी फिल्म से?
मैंने आज तक इस बारे में बात भी नहीं की है. इनफैक्ट क्या है कि मैं उस चीज पे बिलीव करता हूँ जो मेरे को मम्मी ने सिखाया है, या फिर ये हमारे संस्कार भी रहे कि जिसमें बड़ों और छोटों के बीच में कभी कोई तकरार होती है तो छोटे कभी कुछ बोलते नहीं. तो मैं उसी को फॉलो करता हूँ. मैं कभी कुछ उस बारे में बोलता नहीं हूँ और ना मैं बोलना चाहूँगा.
कार्तिक आर्यन इज सो केयरफुल व्हाइल ही स्पीक्स. जैसे उसने इस इंटरव्यू में इस क्वेश्चन को कितना ब्यूटीफुली आंसर किया विदाउट बीइंग अग्रेसिव. तो अब बात करते हैं क्या है एग्जैक्ट रीजन फॉर कार्तिक आर्यन्स रियल फॉल आउट विद धर्मा. अगर धर्मा पीआर मशीनरी की बात करें तो इट इज एक्सट्रीमली थ्रेटनिंग एंड दे आर प्रो at selling narratives that aren't remotely true. वैसे कार्तिक is also not a saint. He is as grey as any normal person, but no way did he raise his hand on Janvi or abuse her in any manner. Neither he was unprofessional as the Dharma PR made it seem like. Well, the thing is, Karan Johar was obsessed with Kartik after Sonu ke Titu ki sweetie and desperately wanted him in his camp. He was almost selected for Good News, but was replaced last moment as director को दिलजीत ज्यादा पसंद था. Then Karan offered him दोस्ताना 2. आपको बता दें that Kartik and Janvi never knew each other before that. Karan was extremely involved in the movie, had Lakshya opposite Kartik, whom he was also extremely impressed with. By that time, Sara Kartik were really big as a brand, but they broke up in October. अब क्योंकि सारा कार्तिक को उनके रिलेशन की वजह से काफी लाइमलाइट मिला था, तो करण जौहर wanted to replicate Sarthik, so he encouraged Janvi to date Kartik because within days of the shoot starting, Janvi was extremely enamored by Kartik, who was also single. इस बीच में कार्तिक अनन्या भी चला था, but it was short-lived fling. Ananya liked him a lot, but Kartik didn't gel with her. अब as the shoot progressed, Karan Johar started becoming increasingly obsessed with Lakshya, to the point that he had an upper hand at everything related to the dialogues and songs, and even the costumes. अब ऐसा क्यों था, इसके पीछे भी एक अलग स्टोरी है, जो कि हम दूसरी वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे. But Karan favoring Lakshya was wrong. Since Kartik was the most established out of the three, there would be changes in the scripts and dialogues every single time on Lakshya's demand. दोस्ताना was on the floors already, but it had no bound script and बहुत सी चीजें सेट में ही improvise की जाती थी. कहानी का plot था about two siblings played by Janvi and Lakshya who are in love with the same guy Kartik. Lakshya's role was supposed to be the least, but it suddenly turned out into a family drama in the second half, focusing on Janvi and Lakshya's family dynamics more than Kartik, and he barely had anything to do in the second half. Then they introduced another character of a girl to play Janvi's partner. They approached Sara first, but she rejected. The role went to many other actresses including Tara, Kiara, Sharwari, जिनमें से सभी ने इस रोल को रिजेक्ट कर दिया. इस बात पर करण जौहर was so upset that he disowned Tara. And सिर्फ तारा ही क्यों? Obviously because she is not a nepo kid. The role eventually went to Disha, after which she was also given the lead role in Yodha as a part of the deal. It was earlier supposed to be a cameo, but Karan Johar played on, and it suddenly became a pivotal character, even further reducing Kartik Aryan's role. And अब he was supposed to be the bad guy who convinces the other girl to break up with Janvi. ये negative role पहले लक्ष्य को दिया गया था. Lakshya's character was suddenly turned into a hero. This enraged Kartik Aryan further, but वो इस बात पर भी चुप रहा, considering he couldn't turn Dharma down. Dharma was really huge pre-pandemic. pandemic. But the final nail in the coffin was when it was established that each of the three characters had their own entry songs. But Karan Johar chopped off Karthik's song, saying कि he has budget issues post-pandemic. But Laksh and Janvi had their own songs. This was where Kartik Aaryan stood up and asked Karan Johar to stop taking him for a ride. On the other hand, Karan Johar's ego took a massive blow and he fired Kartik Aaryan immediately, thereby launching a barrage of negative slandering, mudslinging blinds against Kartik. Kartik was massively taken aback, but he kept mum and let his work do all the talking. आखिर कौन ही इंडस्ट्री में दूसरी कंगना बनना चाहता है? रेड चिलीज जो कि कार्तिक आर्यन की फ्रेडी प्रोड्यूस करने वाली थी also backed out due to Karan Johar's influence, further leaving Kartik in a lurk. But as fate would have it, Bhool Bhulaiya 2 became a major hit and everyone at Dharma got cold feet. And while Kartik knows each one of them, he can't obviously offend any one of them since he wants to stay and work in the same industry. He has suffered many massive attacks from the rival PRs. Moreover, he has no godfather who would pitch for him, so he had to remain silent. And Karan Johar got successful degrading his image. His never-ending support for Nepo kids has crossed all limits. Tara is far more beautiful than any of this generation's actresses. She is professional dancer and singer. Plus, she has more experience since she was a Disney Channel star and nearly made it to Hollywood. In short, she is pretty talented even if the talent is not the acting department. But still, she was given negative role in Student of the Year too, and Ananya Pandey was highlighted being the good girl. While we are not a Karthik fan, but this video was certainly a hoot for what he did, who stood up for himself and proved them wrong by the success of Bhool Bhulaiya 2. ऐसा लगता है कि Karan Johar was, is and forever will be called a bully to outsiders. But we wonder how SRK and Gauri went with Zoya for Suhana's debut over Karan Johar. Perhaps they only did what they know will get their kids more visibility, but eventually they will be working under Karan Johar's brigade only.